told you that I love you, and suppose I said I wanna come back home, and suppose I cried and said a thing, I finally learned my lesson, and I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realize you're all I ever wanted, it is killing me to be so far away. Would you tell me that you love me too, and will we cry together? Or would you seem to love it me say, I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you have to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. If I get down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on yours too and take my hand? Would you give that all I'm feeling? What we love in so for hours, the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you miss me too, and that you'll be so lonely, and to wait for the day that I return, and we live in love forever, and that I'm your one and only? I would have said the tables finally turned. Would I say I told you so?